Looking for something to slobber on you?
Can he help me?
Well, he mostly works with the dogs. I deal with the people.
You have a weird energy.
Don't worry, I've been neutered.
I want him.
Percy, can you help this lady?
Mind if I touch your wiener?
What?
Your dog.
Oh. Yeah. How can I help you?
I want to adopt a dog.
Oh, yeah, sure. Great.
It's a cool cartoon.
It's anime.
Yeah, animated. That's what I said. Excuse me, I need your help.
Oh, sorry. Okay. What kind of dog are you looking to adopt?
Well, I wish I could adopt them all. Which is the most fucked up?
The most messed up is Milo. This is Milo. He's been here the longest. He was a drug dog for the state police, but they forced him into retirement because he got addicted to cocaine.
Cocaine?
Oh no! Milo! If he hears the word, he gets triggered.
Sorry, Milo, I'm fresh out.
It's okay. I'm gonna have to ask you a couple of questions to make sure you're a suitable candidate. We have to do it with everyone, it's the rules.
Oh, a little rule follower, huh?
Yeah, they're super important.
So is there like an office or somewhere private?
An office. Come right this way.
Great.
Maddie Barker.
I feel so far from you.
Spouse?
Currently single. Thank God, too. You can just have more fun, you know? Be spontaneous.
Unmarried. Children?
No, God, no. Too young. Having fun still. Meeting new people. I love that.
Childless. Why do you want to adopt a dog?
Because I can't have dogs of my own.
And what do you plan to do with the dog if you move?
I'm not moving.
What if you did?
I've lived here my whole life. I'm not going anywhere.
Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to pry.
No, pry. Pry me open.
Oh, what? Already? Okay, sorry. I'm gonna have to send this application up to my supervisor.
Oh, come on. There's got to be more questions than that.
Yes, there are, but I have to start closing up. So, yeah, you can come back another day, though.
I might not want a dog another day. I want a dog right now.
Well, then pet ownership may not be for you. Actually sound a lot like the kind of person we would normally take a dog from.
How about I give you a ride home and we can keep talking? You're on the way.
How do you know where I live?
Your parents told me.
What?
It's on your school bag.
Everything under control?
Hey, Crispin, what's the company policy about leaving early? It's like we super can't do that, right? Would that be, frowned upon?
Oh, come on. Let's go.
Okay.
You can finish alone, right? Bet you do it all the time. Thanks.
Bye.
Okay then. Approved.
That's your car?
It is for tonight.
Actually, you know what? This sucks, but I just remembered I rode my bike here, so this is what I'll go on this.
Well, that's okay. I can just throw it in the back. You can ride up front with me.